Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are Team PPL RKS 304 and today we would like to present our project titled Development of Well Architect CM Infrastructure. Let me introduce our team members. First, Irene Nia Zahra, Gineta Safia, Andrew Hafiz Ramadan, and Wali Kansa Sodik. Before we move into the development process, let's first talk briefly about what CM is. Security Information and Event Management, or CM, is a system that collects and analyzes logs from various network devices to detect security threats in real time. CM helps unify system activities, provide automated alerts, and generate security reports for auditing and compliance purposes. Next, the explanation will be continued by Gina.
Thank you for the opportunity. So we use several applications and tools for web development. For application, we use VMware and Docker for the environment, VS Code for coding, GitHub for version control, and StrangeB for security analysis. As for tools, we use Kubernetes for deployment, Wazoo for security monitoring, OpenStash for firewall, and Fail2ban to prevent login attacks. Next, the main code of our program in the first line contains import OS used to access file path and environment variables. Then line 2 from are part of the Flash framework for displaying web page, setting up routing, and managing login accession. Then import MySQL connector function to connect to a MySQL database so that data can be stored and retrieved dynamically. And import bcrypt is used to secure password with hashing so that user data is not stored in plain text. Next, here's the final design of the website. The first page is a landing page featuring several images of button columns and a description of the area. The next page features a user dashboard that display a list of tourist attraction with a registration and login system. Once logged in, user can view button tourist destination, pricing information, opening hours, and book ticket for their cost there. From me, thank you. Next, the explanation will be continued by Wali.
We implement Wazoo as a tool to monitor and manage system security in real time. Wazoo will provide fast and responsive threat detection as well as facilities in-depth log analysis. In addition, we also utilize OpenZen as a firewall that serves to protect the network for potential attack, but also allow for optimal network route configuration and VPN setting to ensure a secure and well-managed connection. Next, the explanation will be continued by Andrew.
This is a view of the Hive and MISP installation as OpenCTI or Cyber Threat Intelligence. Next, the following is the project topology, where the flow begins when a user accesses the website using an external internet network, which then enters the first checked by the firewall and Fail2ban. Then the user's security information during login is forwarded to the CM device to monitor user activity while they are on the network and website. User data on the web server is stored in a database that is divided into two parts to avoid attacks on the database and to strengthen the protection. A backup database is created to strengthen the protection, and the user input data is in the form of file stored in Logstash for better organization. And an administrator can access the network only using a VPN. Next, the following are the project achievement and percentage of our project in recent times. Next, the explanation will be continued by Wali.
This project has gone through three stages, starting with the planning and analysis stage, where we conduct research and select CM tools like Wazoo and OpenCTI. The second stage was design, which focused on creating a secure website interface using secure programming. The third phase was the development and implementation phase, where we implement secure monitoring using OpenSense, CM, and OpenCTI to protect the web application, support by Docker and Kubernetes for implementation efficiency. Next, during implementation, we successfully overcame three major technical challenges, namely difficult in integrate logs, sorts, server resource limitation, and Wazoo agent configuration error. The solution implement include network configuration optimization, increase resource allocation for stable performance, and Wazoo agent reset through various testing paths to ensure data accuracy. Next, the explanation will be continued by Irene.
Thank you, Wali. Next is job desk from our members. First, job desk from Irene is responsible for the front-end web development and database management. Job desk from Gina is works on the front-end interface and helps manage the database structure. Job desk from Andrew is focused on OpenCTI integration and database configuration. Job desk from Wali is handles Wazoo setup and OpenSense configuration. Next is future work for our project. First, configure Wazoo in Kubernetes and Docker, integrate with the Hive and MISP. Second, learn Logstash for secure and structured log storage. Third, strengthen security with secure coding, OpenCTI, and RBAC, and improve web design and user experience. That's all from our team. Thank you for listening and giving your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.